one of the nicest things about Imran is that he knows how to turn pain into art. Like, have you heard his song Bewafa?
I haven't. I keep getting tagged in this stuff. I haven't.
You know, when you said woofer to Mary, I felt it, bro.
How many more Imran Khans are there?
So we were asking about your relationship.
My relationship status. I am seeing somebody. I am amazing. Thank you. So I am currently in the status of moving into a new apartment. I've been living solo for the past 5 years.
You're living in together?
We are in the process of moving into a new
How long you
apartment.
guys dated?
COVID is when we started seeing each other.
Can I ask you, what is the decision now that, now we should live together as opposed to earlier?
She brought it up.
She brought it up.
I'll be real with you, man.
And you were like, cool.
Sure, why not? You know, it's been long enough.
Sure, why not is very different from yes, bro.
I'm being real, right? What do I say? That's how we arrived here.
Right, okay. And what's it like?
Still in the process, which those of you who have done this sort of thing will know is, has all of its weirdness and awkwardnesses. I guess part of the thing is that I'm older now and I've spent enough time getting really set in my ways. The past few years, I've been living alone for the past 5 years, and I got super into the minimalism thing.
Right.
As few things, as few objects as I could possibly have in my home.
Beer Biceps Season 6, Episode 4.
I missed that one. But yeah, that's how I've been doing it.
Right.
Now we're starting to move in, and it's like, all right, we need more things.
Moving in with another person is the exact opposite of minimalism.
Exactly.
It's it's maximalism. It's full like.
Yeah. So she's like, we need different kinds of glasses.
Yes.
Drinking different kinds of beverages.
Yes.
And I'm like, but my mug is great. It holds
Mug is
everything.
great. Sometimes there's coffee, sometimes I wash my ass with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Yeah.
But who needs more than one bed sheet? What is happening? Jokes. You need two.
You know, before you said jokes, I was gonna agree with you. But I was like, if you're scared, I'm scared too, bro. We have a day bed sheet and a night bed sheet, and even because it's just me, my dogs, and my wife.
Wait, you have a day bed sheet, night bed sheet?
Yeah, we have a day bed sheet and night bed sheet.
With the take shifts.
Yeah, because the night bed sheet is like the cleaner one.
It's the bed cover and bed sheet.
Is that what?
Yeah.
Is that what you
Day
mean?
and night.
Wow,
क्या हो गया यार ये?
Clearly, estrogen gives you some clarity.
Fuck it. I don't relate with anything y'all have said. Our boys are just minimal out of convenience. It's not some lifestyle choice.
Agree.
That's not untrue.
Said no!
That's not untrue.
So I mean, not to attack you personally, I'm attacking all three of you. They don't have multiple bed sheets because they can't make out the difference between block print and katha stitch and all of that.
What is what?
Exactly, what is what? Puchte hain.
Okay, block print is morning or night?
No, it's not.
No, they're both morning.
They're both
Bed
morning.
covers, bed covers,
Right.
But whereas like bed sheets are like more cottony, softer material because like you need to sleep on it. They can get abrasive the day bed
Bro,
sheets.
usually based on where my wife makes me sleep, it's the sofa. If you sleep on katha, तेरा चेहरा बदल जाता है.
चेहरा नहीं बदलता है बस थोड़ा लगता है ऐसे when you change position in bed or
So why do you
something.
keep it? Dude, just keep the comfortable one so you can fall asleep whenever you
Because they
feel
don't
like.
look pretty, man.
Yes.
They don't go with the aesthetic of my house that I'm trying to create.
And,
रात में
like-
हम सो रहे हैं, हमारी आंखें बंद हो जा रही है, हम एस्थेटिक देख ही नहीं रहे हैं, इसलिए अगली हो सकता है बेडशीट, बट दिन में हम देख रहे हैं तो अच्छा बेड कवर होना पड़ेगा.
That's fair. Okay. Keep
I
that
can
in
go
mind.
on about bed
No, but
sheets and
I can-
bed covers.
sheets-
I can tell you.
I can sleep with Aati.
There's इक्कत, बहुत कुछ है, मैं बता सकती हूँ.
Ikat?
इक्कत.
Ikat.
I-
Why don't you want to use your brain space for things outside of bed sheets?
Tell me what are you using your brain space for? इन्हें गिफ्ट नहीं देनी है, बेड कवर नहीं बदलना है इन्हें, किस चीज के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं?
Yeah, you know what? You're right.
That's all I wanted to hear, man. That's all I wanted.
Sorry, what? Yeah.
No, we have to clarify one thing here, okay? Bed sheets are different from bed covers, okay?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
What
yes.
you call day sheets are the bed covers. That's what you put on
covers.
top.
Oh, so
Then
that's
you
why when you
take it
remove the
off.
cover, the bed sheet is already there.
Yeah,
Bed sheet.
yeah.
It's like Superman's.
Just to be clear, this is what we're talking about, yeah?
Yeah,
You know what?
bed
I'm not
cover
scared.
is like the blazer of the bed. Take the blazer off, you like loosen the tie and you...
You know, I feel like the top comment on this video is going to be your wife just saying, "Thank you, guys."
So you're saying, glasses, glasses,
Glasses also. How many do you really need? How many drinks do you drink at one time? I'm drinking water right now. Once it's done, I can rinse it out. I can now drink my next beverage in this.
Crazy, man.
The more things you have, the
Which
more
is-
things you have to look after.
Which
Yes.
is
That's
Understand.
also true.
The more
crazy.
glasses you use, then the more glasses you have to wash. Then everything gets dirty, and then you have this pile of things.
Imran, did you like latch on to this philosophy during the pandemic by any chance?
Before pandemic.
oh,
Yeah.
Crazy.
Because I was also
Because
the same.
I flowed into pandemic kind of already
Prepared.
Wow.
fully prepared.
So my wife has, has the normal human tendency of having different glasses for different things, and
Okay, wait. Can we
Wait,
wait?
one
Shrija,
second,
what
one-
are different glasses for what? Like,
No,
you,
so-
can you
Oh,
put
one
can you put chas in a wine glass?
Can you put wine in a chas glass? Is the question.
no, but the thing is, so she has like a
Perfect
chai ka glass, pani ka glass, etc., etc.
Yeah.
Right? So during the pandemic, we were using all of this, and then suddenly I had to wash them. And then you begin to realize that this is,
This
I
is
mean,
too many
normal
things to
people
wash.
overrated. Yeah, yeah.
That's why my father drinks chai from a plate.
Yes. Yes.
Ultimate minimalism.
Okay, चाय का एक ग्लास होता है, विस्की का एक ग्लास होता है, वाइन का एक ग्लास होता है,
Correct.
पानी का एक ग्लास होता है.
Correct.
और क्या है?
So that's 4 different types of beverages, and then you need multiples for depending on how many people there are.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is a lot of containers for liquid.
Yeah. So you have tea and coke in the same glass?
I got one of those double-walled mugs, which is insulated. So
wow.
hot beverages stay hot, cold beverages stay cold. It's great. You can drink hot coffee in it.
Shit.
You can drink cold beer in it.
You know, I lost a lid on a thermos once, so I also have one of those.
Yeah, there you go. That's the thing.
Have you done that thing where you make something in a kadhai and then you look and you think कि इसको कोई और बर्तन में डालना है क्या?
Yeah.
कौन देख रहा है?
I don't do that.
Right?
I've cooked in this entire thing. This is dirty. Now we're going to put this in another thing.
Why? Why dirty two things?
Why dirty two
When
things?
one can do.
Yeah.
The horror.
Great.
The horror.
Crazy, man. I think if you give them half an hour and they'll be like, रोटी सेकनी क्यों है? गैस क्यों जलानी है? God intended it as crop. We eat it as crop. Why cook?
Bro, मैं तो रोटी मिक्सर में डाल के पी लेता हूँ. So that's where you are. You guys are having conflict about
About number of objects, yeah.
number of objects. And how, is it going your way? Is it going her way? What is it?
It's going more her way so far. I've got plates, like 15 plates.
Right.
There's 2 of us.
Bro, what did you do? When you were living minimalist? When you invited people over, what did you do? Did you?
Small groups of people, right? So I'd have one person or maybe two people over.
Great.
At this one time, Lekha and I had another couple over,
Lovely.
and I only had 3 plates. True story. So the couple got 1 plate each, and we shared on.
Dude, no way.
I'm like, this is romantic. It's
It's BYOP.
So yeah, I've had to adjust in these ways from time to time. Like,
Lovely.
sorry, I don't have enough glasses. We'll just share.
You know, the thing is, Imran, because you are so successful, people know that you're rich and you're doing this because like it's a lifestyle choice. But most people can't call their friends and say, "मेरे पास plate नहीं है."
That's
प्लीज मुझे
this is actually
सरप्राइज
true.
पार्टी मत दे देना, तुम्हारे लिए है ही नहीं कुछ यहाँ पर.
So this is actually true, and I guess it's one of the injustices of society.
Yeah.
If you're
If I
financially
can take it
well
back
off,
to Karl Marx one more.
if you're financially well off, you get to be eccentric.
You gotta be eccentric, right?
If you're not, then you're mad.
Yeah. Then you're just a weirdo.
This dude is weird. He's eccentric. It's charming.
You could have pointed the
Yeah.
other way. I know what bed covers are.
ये दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे ये दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे ये दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे
So Kautuk recently had a baby.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much for the applause. My contribution was immense.
You know, the last 2-3 times I felt like telling you he's gotten fat, but I didn't know you're pregnant, bro.
I was eating in solidarity.
How's it been, dude? How's the change been?
Like, you know what happened to me? Like, I turned 30, and then immediately my beard was like, all right, no more youth for you. Right? It just turned white overnight. And so, here's the thing.
That's the 30 part. Have you started growing ear hair yet?
Oh, fuck. Bro.
You have that to look forward to.
Oh, no.
Bro, I'm
Oh,
turning
no.
I'm turning 30 this year. Is that?
Even I'm turning 30 this year.
What's
Is
the
this
rule like?
happening
Are
to all of
people
us?
more under or over 30?
Was the under 30 make some noise? Over 30 make some noise? She's dying.
Listen, it's getting to be past my bedtime as well, okay? I feel you guys. This is the ear, hair, and early to bed brigade.
Ear hair, oh, I can't wait. But here's the thing that I realized, okay? There was a huge difference between when I told the news that we were expecting a baby. So I told older friends who are married, who have kids, right? They were super warm, super this thing, supportive, helpful, all of that. Told bachelor friends, okay? Their response, very different, right? One guy has looked at me and said, "Are you keeping it?" Because they have very different priorities in life, right? For them, this is not good news. This is a scare. It's a pregnancy scare.
Right.
Right? Gotta deal with it.
But was this a planned baby? Was this
It was planned. It was very
Yeah,
much
yeah,
planned.
yeah,
It was absolutely. No. I planned it. Much like the BMC.
Shisha, may I ask where are you in your relationship status?
So, मेरा boyfriend है.
Let's go.
आप लोग ऐसे shocked क्यों हो रहे हो? What the hell is that cheer?
Right. Yeah, we all know that the frustration of the bedsheets came from one place. And that's a real place.
A real place, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, so I have a boyfriend, as I've previously mentioned. Yeah. at multiple places.
Why have you become so formal? The aforementioned boyfriend that I have,
Yeah.
as you can.
Yeah. So my erstwhile single status has been changed forever, actually.
Don't spit.
Shrija, please mention in triplicate.
Yeah. So yeah, kind regards. ठीक है, एक से मैं फटाफट बोलती हूँ. मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है, हमारा सीरियस चल रहा है. But we're not living in, क्योंकि मेरे पेरेंट्स नहीं मानेंगे इन सब चीज़ों के लिए.
क्योंकि तू पेरेंट्स के साथ रह रही है
मैं पेरेंट्स के साथ रहती हूँ.
और दूसरा रूम में तेरा भाई रहता है.
मेरे भाई की शादी हो गई है, तो वो नहीं रहता उधर.
Okay, so then he can move in.
Fuck, I thought it was
You know,
just
this
the
is-
bed covers. Like, there's a lot we have to tell you, Ron. About
No.
Indian society.
You know, it's a joke for रौनक. But अभी मेरी मम्मी देखेंगी ये वीडियो. बोलेगी, क्या बदतमीजी की बातें कर रहा था रौनक? हैं? लिव इन वगैरह करते हैं तुम्हारे दोस्त?
I'm 19, male. My girlfriend gets turned on by murder documentaries. She keeps calling me over, we watch them, and then have the freakiest sex. It's not so much the documentaries that's worrying, but we always start the sex at the goriest and scariest parts. In fact, once we are done, she doesn't even want to restart to see what happened next in the documentary until she's ready to go again. Should I be worried? Or am I being close-minded? Because otherwise she's pretty chill.
Otherwise, she's pretty chill.
Otherwise, apparently she's quite chill, yeah.
Sorry.
I think it's maybe life-affirming for her. She's saying life is short, kuch bhi ho sakta hai. You never know when you might be chopped up. Let's. I'm trying to take
Yeah.
a charitable view of it.
Yeah.
But I'm saying उसके मन में ऐसा कभी नहीं हो रहा है कि like bro someone died here or what is the next plot point?
That's exactly it. That's why
she's
he's asking.
ruining it. She's ruining the. She's as soon as the best part of the fucking documentary starts, she's like, "Come on!" He's like, "Arey yaar." He's like, "Yaar, I just want to know who the killer is. I want to know how the cops catch him." And she's like, "Don't you love me?" And he's like, "Fine, I'm never gonna get laid otherwise."
This is also, by the way, the same principle that people used to apply to horror movies, right? Like, you used to take your
Take a date to a horror
Yeah.
movie.
May I?
Right,
If you've seen daily soaps,
right.
like Ekta Kapoor and all,
I don't finish
watching.
watching them. That's when I start.
So उसमें क्या होता है? Like, you know, like,
That's my sex playlist, baby.
it's basically like, you know, when like where the hero and heroine they have like a intimate, but they're out somewhere they're stranded on a very dark stormy night, okay, and they're like a little awkward, but they're not like there yet with the romance.
Correct.
ठीक है, and then suddenly thunder आता है और लड़की डर जाती है.
I know
She
this.
just like she goes
I know
and
this
falls
scene.
into the arms of the.
Yeah.
Correct, correct,
Isn't
correct.
that hot, guys?
You know, in the words of मुन्ना भाई, रिंग मास्टर को मैंने 100 का नोट दिखाया, लाइन ने किया रोर, वो झपट की मेरी ओर.
Wow! I've never heard this line, man.
You know what it is? लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई.
Srisha, this answers the question. What do we do with that extra space we have in our brain?
It's your boy Michelle Obama. A few quick announcements. I'm going on tour with my stand-up solo show in November in UK and Europe. These are my fixed dates for UK. Right now in Europe we only have Amsterdam. If you want me to come perform in your city, let me know. Tickets are on raunakrajani.in. And also, a quick word from my sponsor. Father's Day is coming up and you can't gift your dad a world's best dad mug because let's face it, he isn't. Because if he was, you'd be celebrating your pre-wedding in Portofino, Italy. but you can gift your dad a personalized song. This is Yajur. He's a musical genius. He runs a company called MCF. He and his friends from Berklee School of Music will customize an original song for you from scratch. And if your dad is an asshole, they will also make him a diss track. You can make these dedications for anyone and any occasion. In fact, I'm making one this week for your mom for our sexiversary. Anyway, check out their website mycreativefactory.com, fill up their form, and Yajur will get in touch with you. Merchandise, as you know, for the show is a Stay Toxic t-shirt and a Stay Toxic hoodie. Purchase link in the pinned comment. Shall go back to watching your show.
Srija, this answers the question. What do we do with that extra space we have in our brain?
What if it's like the other way? She's just like turning to him like because she's scared or something. And he just starts like, यार ये turn on हो जाता है हर बार. मैं जरा सा क्या इसके ऊपर इसकी थोड़ा protection ले रही हूँ. ये तो शुरू ही हो जाता है यार बिल्कुल. इसका mood ही बन जाता है.
Yeah, he's reading the signs wrong.
Yeah.
And what if it's Pavlovian now? What if they have learnt it? And what if he sees an actual
self-
murder and he's like, "Whoop."
I was actually going to call the whole thing out. In fact, to me, it's weird to have sex with a movie or a show going on. I'm like, there's people talking over there.
Correct. Yeah.
It's impolite. They're talking, man. Stop interrupting the movie, man.
Because Imran's also
Movies are my life. Understand? Come on.
Fair enough.
Like
Thinking from the other side, yeah.
Yeah, the idea that people are having sex while I'm playing out a scene is like, guys,
There was actually this one.
Come on.
There was this one murder documentary I watched where this guy and this girl, they're not like dating, but they kind of like each other. And then this thing dies, this cat, and he's like, Aditi, haste.
hang on a second.
You've seen this?
This is ringing a bell. I feel like
Yeah. Yeah, somehow that part always turns me on, man.
What kind of stuff, if y'all do the quote-unquote Netflix and chill, that we are just going to date and this might progress into something, what kind of stuff would you put on? Porn is too obvious, right? It's like, it's
you want something artsy.
like, yeah, you want to play. So the
Erotic,
whole, the whole idea is that I just called you on a date. I'm just playing something, and then slip it in, right?
I have questions.
The slip in the.
Now he's like, go grow up.
So
Dude,
what kind of stuff would you play? Bagban? Is that no? Sorry. What kind of stuff would you play?
I come from this thing of making out in theaters. Okay.
Making out in theaters.
So
Fuck you guys, man.
I'm sorry, Imran. There were a few movies.
You know, Imran, you were making out, but I was making out. I just thought it's fine.
Taking inspiration from the screen. I get it. Life imitates art.
Yeah.
Yeah. So back then you had to pick a movie where you knew कि public नहीं है. Right?
Correct.
So
And it's always an English children's movie.
what?
You guys never get turned on by Happy Feet?
Your foot fetish is showing here, man.
Mad.
I mean, like, for a Netflix and chill, I think I would pick the boringest movie. Because I'd be like, then at least this would be more interesting in comparison.
Correct. What kind of stuff would you play?
So I'm going to throw out a left field suggestion. You ever heard of Tinto Brass? He was this Italian filmmaker. Italian erotic art cinema. It's a strange intersection.
Right.
Porn बोल चुका है यार.
It's not porn, it's erotica.
I'm sorry.
Erotica.
I get it.
Could you, for the sake of, my audience is like porn type only. Like me, so.
Nudity, it's got nudity.
So could you, for our sake, explain to us what is the difference between the titillation of porn and the titillation of erotica?
Tell us some titles also. If possible.
Let's.
La Dolce Vita Hot Stepsister.
Yeah, they've got Italian type titles, man. See, the difference between art, between erotica and pornography
Yeah.
is production design. I don't know why you guys are laughing. I'm being serious.
You mean kharch hua hai?
हाँ, खर्चा हुआ है.
Right.
The sets are beautiful. He has phallic imagery woven into the set.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So
correct.
it's kind of subtly erotic. It is the kind of thing that you can put on for a date because it's in Italian. So you're like, oh, this is great. This is it's artsy.
It's arts.
Correct. Rich people's porn? I think rich people watch the same porn. Rich people have sex.
Everyone has the internet, man.
Okay. So
Even rich people are not paying for porn. No one.
I think maybe she's relating with the chase.
the chase, which is
Goriness, he says. Gory.
Goriness.
By the way,
Fine,
so this is a real phenomena. So serial killers who were put into jail, they used to get hundreds and hundreds of love letters
Wow.
from women who used to just be like, "Wow, आप इतने अच्छे serial killer हो."
कौन है वो famous American killer? Ted Bundy.
Ted Bundy, yeah.
right? So
I'll
correct?
change you type.
I'll change. That's
I
what
will
it is.
change you.
वही होएगा.
That's hilarious. That's hilarious.
I can fix him.
Yeah.
But I like how this guy has said it, okay? He said, it's not so much the documentaries that worry me. Right? It is that we always start the sex at the goriest
parts.
and scariest parts.
Right.
Yeah, that is.
It's like, it would be hilarious if someday like he puts on porn and he's just, oh God, she, oh man, I'm so scared.
ये लोग क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing, man? मत कर please.
I think he should overcorrect. So every time she gets turned on by watching true crime, he should get turned on by watching Singham.
Yes, the police.
Right?
Yes. I love it.
Singham. I mean, whatever the.
Yeah. He should. Yeah. Like before he's having sex, he should just go dur dabang.
Yeah.
Just whatever cop related. So he's letting her know that if you become murderer, I will become police.
Yeah.
And super police.
Super police.
The best police possible. Salman Khan, your friend. So.
I'm 27F lawyer. I'm also studying for an MBA. I meet this guy I like on weekends. He told me he's a doctor, so he's also as busy in the week. On a day off, I'd gone shopping, only to find this guy working as a salesman in pantaloons. I was furious. Why? He then went ahead to prove to me that it was the only lie he told and explained that if I knew what he did, I would have never swiped right on his profile. He's probably right because he's a good guy. But this info feels like it does change everything. Am I materialist? Or, acha, yes. Or practical? Practical.
Is she?
This guy said materialist, right?
This is the one guy.
Sir, do you work at Pantaloons?
should like him for the person he is. No, it doesn't matter what he's doing outside.
She should like him for the person he is.
But he
yeah.
should
तो शुरू में ही
also
बता
say-
देता फिर.
But practicality is about long
अगर
run.
वो बताता तो वो हाँ बोलती.
तो क्यों बोले भाई? क्यों बोले? Look at this
Isn't
guy,
practicality about long run? Practicality is about long
अरे
run.
practicality
Of course,
is
the long
about
run,
the
yeah.
truth, यार.
Truth.
Truth?
Yeah, truth. There is also that aspect of it, no?
Yeah.
But would she have liked him the same if first only he said?
She says no.
Yeah.
She says it. कि
So
I
how
wouldn't.
else? You know, to quote another Munna Bhai,
You actually
चिंकी
know.
मैं सच का डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ.
have all the Munna Bhai quotes.
Bro,
Hey, dude, sorry for the spoiler, huh?
You could not have set that up better.
he did that in the first movie with his parents. He did that in the second movie with Vidya Balan.
Professor.
He's a professor.
Of history, yeah.
So it's not a bad thing. Like men do it all the time. I'm sure you did it in one of your movies.
Not that I recall, but it is a classic rom-com setup.
It's a rom-com setup.
It is absolutely, yeah.
It's a rom-com setup, and they're made so that women watch it and they forgive men.
For telling small lies.
Small line.
Dangerous precedent.
From this very, very little blurb only, I can prove that was not the only lie he told. The first lie he said was, I'm a doctor. The
Right.
second lie he said was, I'm also busy in the week. Because I'm a doctor.
But no, he's busy in the week. ना तू pantaloons जाएगी वो खड़ा रहेगा वहाँ पे.
Standard 9 to 5 job, no?
Yeah, he is busy in the week.
He's busy in the week. मुझे emergency calls आते हैं यार कभी भी. Pant emergencies.
He's driving into pantaloons. Wee.
Like, how was he maintaining this lie? He's at Pantaloon, she calls him, right? And he turns to the guy he's serving and he's just like, एक second, nurse! Operation theater ready करना. And the guy's like, sir, मेरे को waist 34 में चाहिए था.
Right.
आपको मैं 36 प्रिस्क्राइब करूंगा. 34 आपको लगता है सूट नहीं कर रहा है इस वक्त.
You know, the thing is that he has come, like, she's caught him, and then, like, she has also got all the legal codes that he's violating along with the relationship. So
False
he's-
representation.
Yeah, exactly.
more upset that एक तो मैं lawyer हूँ और मुझसे ही झूठ बोला है.
So then she's a shit lawyer, so she should join pantaloons.
He's making her look bad also.
He's making her look bad also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, we are just believing that she's a lawyer. There's this other detail. He then went ahead to prove to me that it was the only lie he had. Holy fuck! So she,
1 second he proved. He was like, ये मेरा घर है, as I said.
yeah,
ये मेरा दोस्त बंटी है, as I said. ये उसका आधार कार्ड है.
yeah. Measuring tape निकाल, waist 34.
And the manager of Pantaloons is like, Sandesh, काम कर.
But she also didn't figure it out. ना? Like कि वो घर आता है, ना stethoscope.
I feel like the doctors keep their stethoscopes inside, man.
Yeah.
No, not once.
Maybe showing up for his new girlfriend, maybe he would have brought it.
That's true.
Hey,
Yeah.
baby, doctor.
Like
ICU situation.
he's writing shit and she can read it and she's like, what? That's weird.
Got great handwriting. More than the materialistic part,
हाँ.
I would say the red flag is that thing. कि वो सच नहीं बोल रहा है.
सच नहीं बोल रहा है.
चाहे वो materialistic हो ना हो, you got to be straight up.
Right. Fair. वो सच नहीं बोल रहा है.
Yeah.
But do you also think that he is right? That when he's saying कि मैं अगर तेरे को सच बोलता then you would not swipe right on me?
शायद सच बोल रहा है, but then why does he want that type of a partner also?
Exactly.
ये relationship झूठ की बुनियाद पे बनी है.
Exactly.
But you know,
Munna
what if
bhai?
he said, what if
Just Bollywood.
What if I'm with the Pantaloons guy just for the Pantaloons discount? Is that not materialistic?
are you? He must have tried that shit too, right? He must have tried that shit. He must be like, ठीक है. I'm not a doctor. I work here. Fine. तेरे को discount मिलेगा.
In fact, I'm going to be with you क्योंकि मेरे पास loyalty card भी है जो मैं अभी दे सकता हूँ तुझे.
What if a girl said she was a doctor and she turned out to be a Pantaloons saleswoman?
I think most men I can speak for would just be like,
This is a
I'm not
gender thing.
intimidated by your success.
This is that gender thing, yeah.
Thank God.
You want less than me. It's okay.
Hi. So I met this guy.
She met a guy, guys. She met a guy.
It might end badly. Don't cheer.
No, I met a guy on Hinge. So it was going well. We were seeing each other for a bit and everything. And then every time I would talk about like, okay, where is this going? How are we going to start dating or whatever? He'd get all panicky and uncertain, and then he'd find some reason or the other. And with every small fight, he'd be like, let's just end it. Then he would come back. Then again, with every small fight, he'd be like, I'm uncertain. And then finally, I was like, okay, I want to break up. And then I was like, oh shit, I don't want to break up. So then I went back to him and I was like, you take a call. And again, he broke up. So yeah, I don't know what the question is here, but he's my age. He's like 25, 26. So do guys ever get serious or they just want to be uncertain? Like,
Guys ever get serious? It depends on what kind of bed sheet you're talking about.
no, like, are they always this uncertain?
Are all boys certain, uncertain?
Like at this age, mid 20s.
It's a little sexist for any of us to talk about all boys in general. So if you could describe a little bit more about this specific boy, we'd know some clarity.
He's uncertain about everything. So, like career, friends.
About everything, career,
What he wants to eat.
Everything. He's just like, he wakes up, it's night, day, what is
Right.
What is May, June,
Right.
socks, shoes.
Correct.
No, like about food, about career, about
Food also.
what to wear, etc., etc. But he was like, no, I'm certain about you. Huh?
He was certain about you, but then also
That's what
broke
he
up.
said.
Right. And then?
But he was not.
I like this. Schrodinger's boyfriend.
Could I,
Heavy or nahi?
Yeah, man. Depends on when you open the box.
so you guys are like unofficially just exclusive at this point until he said no.
Yeah, I mean, he wanted to be exclusive from the beginning. He's like, let's not see each other. I'm off Hinge and all. I still had Hinge. I was like, okay. Because we were not dating yet. I was
Yeah.
like, once we start dating, I'll delete it.
Yeah.
But then
he
he was like-
certain at that point.
Yeah, that's
and
what he
you were
said.
uncertain at that point.
Yeah.
No, she was certain that once we make this official, then I'll delete the app. Otherwise,
Fair.
Correct.
But then he gave me a lot of shit that, oh, let's be exclusive and all. So then I deleted that.
Or तू कितनी certain है as a person, like compared to him? Like, are you sure about everything? Are you like, when you wake up, you're like, yes, मुझे green lace चाहिए ही चाहिए.
Yeah. I'm very certain.
You're a very certain person.
Yeah.
You know, because I'm wondering, since you're so certain, you have to live with the consequences of even your bad choices, right? How do you do that? Like, it's a fair question, right?
I think we're supposed to be offering the advice, not soliciting it.
Just attacking me.
What is it about him that makes you so certain?
I didn't say it, but my friends say that I found a project again. Like, I can fix them guys. So,
37 murders, but I'll change him.
Right.
Never take on fixing projects.
learned it the hard way now.
Everybody has to try once at least.
So,
No, I tried like 5-6 times.
I like her. She's like a contractor. Like she looks at a guy, waterproofing. एक पेंट मार देंगे.
थोड़ा crack है, plaster मार देते हैं.
Plaster मार
हो
देंगे.
जाएगा.
may I ask 5-6 times, same guy, 5-6
Different,
times?
different.
Different this thing. So this is a pattern, right? And all of them seem to have a similar.
No, they eventually like turn out to be emotionally unavailable or little
But
stupid.
that's what you're
or
trying to
not.
fix, I'm assuming.
No, but I come to know later on. I just like the guy for the guy.
But what about him did you not want to change?
Good question. The fact that
There's nothing.
There is nothing.
There's nothing, man.
I think she's realizing right now ki, oh, I have the solution already.
you know, in the ghosting period, when you're both ghosting each other, you're both angry at each other. Have you sent him a text, or has he sent you a text?
It's me, usually me.
Right.
But the one time I didn't, he got really mad and he's like, let's end it.
No, this guy's like, let's end it. They stop talking, and he again messages her, let's end it.
And then 4 years later, hey, end hai last. Iske baad,
Do you guys
Is this
think,
emotional manipulation? What's
yeah,
happening
yeah.
here?
Do you guys think that
This is
there's a
like
certain
some-
amount of there's a certain amount of
weird-
power dynamic for him, because he knows that you are trying so hard to get to like so do you think that if you be like chal bhai chal hut, do you guys think that that's gonna
In
make
fact,
him
It did, it
Yeah.
did. So then I was like completely cutting off now. I'm like done and all. And then he drunk called me the other day.
so it worked?
And he started screaming, you're mine. I was like, no.
You're mine, Sita.
you're mine.
Bro, I don't want to talk like that to my wife.
All of these are red
I
flags.
get cancelled if I say you're mine to her.
You can't own a person like that. This is. These are all red
I
flags,
can
dude.
see why that's hot. But
You're saying a drunk guy calling you in the middle of the night and saying you're mine.
a drunk guy.
It's not just any drunk guy.
See, it's a drunk guy
You're
who
like-
I've been wanting clarity from. Am I his? Or is someone else's? If he says you're mine, okay, मिल गई clarity, yeah? It's about
But Sridhar, the problem is he drunk calls you and he says, you're mine! And then he gets sober and he's like, it's ending.
Okay, I just want everybody, and everybody has to give good, honest advice to her because she has a real problem. Okay, so there is a drunk call which is either impulsive because I'm just acting on my emotion, or the drunk call is clarity of thought because now I'm my bare self. Which one is it? The first one or the second one? Impulse? It's just impulse
as per-
emotions, right?
As per Mumbai police also, it's just impulse.
Right. So it's impulse. So now you know he's not good enough.
Yeah, I'm done. I just
Yeah.
wanted to share this.
No, take your
Just
phone
rant.
out right now and type, it's ending.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to take a video of us showing middle finger? All of us.
Yes.
Yeah, should we do it? But you know the problem is, उसको लगेगा कि you care so much that you told
Exactly.
people. भाग man, shut up. Yeah. Better ghost him. Just ghost him.
Actually, we should video call him.
Should we do it? Should we ask? You want to do it? No. He must have just drank now. Wait for 1 hour. You have a question you want to ask? Okay, can we give the mic? Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
Okay, so every person that I like.
That's a very long name. Hi, every person I like.
That's a Brahmin name, right?
Yes.
Yes.
No,
Both
don't.
of
No, let's not get into my name.
Okay.
Okay, it's a weird name.
Now the whole room is curious.
Yeah. What is it?
It's Nurita.
Okay. It's
That's the most normal name of all.
not bad.
It's a nice name.
Yeah. So every person that I like, वो भारत छोड़ के चला जाता है.
भारत छोड़ के चले जाता है.
Have you verified this or do they just tell you that?
No, I stalked their LinkedIn.
Do you work in immigration?
No, just a perpetual LinkedIn stalker. And so on New Year's, I vowed that I'll take the path of celibacy, and now it's been 5 months, and I don't know what to do.
Right.
And then start with leaving the country.
So may I ask the celibacy is like अगर मैं ये त्याग करूँगी तो फिर वो लोग इंडिया वापस आएंगे?
No, I'm just done now.
You're done now, right?
Yeah, everyone just flees away.
How many people have you dated that have flown away?
I'm not dated anymore.
Okay, you've sort of been with these people, you liked with these people, and they flew off.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
How many? 5, 2,
4, 5.
4, 5.
Acha, where all did
That's
they
a
go?
considerable number.
It's a considerable number.
Mostly US. Yeah.
Mostly US.
So they're your friends, right? You know them, right? Are you talking about like
Not
actors and all
anymore.
or something?
I talk about Donald Trump when he came to Gujarat.
Nobody would admit to that one.
I met this dashing guy. He went to Dubai. His name was Dawood or something.
तो सब लोग US जा रहे हैं because you like these people and they go to this thing. Oh, okay. Listen, if someone wants to go to US, this is your chance.
Dude, your name should be
This is-
H1B visa. Like, this is fucking amazing.
Have you talked to these people?
Yeah.
So do you think that it's
Yeah, they're leaving because of.
Yeah. Are you driving them
sorry,
away?
I don't want to. Yeah.
yeah? Are you driving them away or is it coincidence?
I don't know.
I think that's the question she's putting to us.
She's
Yeah.
putting to us.
Yeah.
You know, with a name like Nurita,
More like Durita.
ये दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे